If you want to disable the Add Friend button on your Facebook account, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact privacy setting you need to change so fewer people can send you friend requests. This is a simple way to make your Facebook account a little more private and better control who can contact you. And if this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Facebook tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Facebook and go to the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then click Settings. This will take you into your main Facebook settings page. Now, on the left-hand side, click Privacy. This section contains the controls for who can see your content and who can interact with your account. Once you're in Privacy, look for the option that says Who can send you friend requests. This is the setting that controls the Add Friend button behavior. Next, click Edit beside that option. By default, this may be set to everyone, which means anyone on Facebook can send you a friend request. If you want to reduce that, change the setting from Everyone to Friends of Friends. This limits friend request access so random people are less likely to see the Add Friend option on your profile. After you make the change, click Close or Save Changes if Facebook shows that option. Once that's done, your new privacy setting will be applied right away. Now, people outside your friend network will have a harder time sending you requests, which helps make your account more private. If you don't see the exact wording on your screen, don't worry. Facebook updates its layout from time to time, but the setting will still be under Privacy in your account settings. Just look for anything related to friend requests, and you should find the right option. That's it. You've now learned how to disable or limit the Add Friend button on Facebook by changing your friend request privacy setting. This is a quick and effective way to control who can reach you on the platform. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Facebook tips, social media guides, and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.